And welcome to another episode of ravisingblog.in. This is Ravi Singh, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about the UltraWeb hosting. So this is the latest web hosting I came to know. I started using their services and I thought it's a good time to discuss the feature with you guys. And this is definitely different from the other web hosting services available in the market. So I thought in this video I will discuss the features and how it is different from other web hosting, and what are the different packages available for you to use it for your website or blog. So let's go ahead and discuss the features and why you should choose UltraWeb hosting. So of course, UltraWebHosting is a web hosting service provider company which offer a range of services that include the Linux, the WordPress hosting, and the Windows hosting, and many more. And also, it offers you a domain services for your blog. So, if you want to get a new domain for your website or blog, you can always purchase it from UltraWeb hosting. So why you should choose UltraWeb hosting? Of course, there are various reasons, and it's slightly different from the other web hosting company. The one of the reason which I love most is the speed. So the server which UltraWeb hosting they have a better server, and they of course also have a CDN support, which I will discuss. So with the better servers and with the support of the CDN, which is Content Delivery Network, your overall speed of your website or blog is much better, and it loads faster, so it gives a better user experience to your readers. Of course, it has a free website or blog transfer from existing provider. So if you already have a web hosting for your blog, you can always use its free services, which the engineer at UltraWeb hosting will transfer from your existing service provider to UltraWeb hosting, and it's absolutely free. And of course, it has a PHP caching. So PHP caching is a more a technical term, but the way the servers are designed, it makes your content or your website load faster because of PHP caching. I already discussed about the CDN support, which it has an inbuilt feature. And one of the cloud hosting company, which is Cloudflare, so that is inbuilt into the web hosting. So you can easily integrate. If you already have a Cloudflare account, you can easily integrate with your hosting. And the customer support, which I will discuss later during the slide, is wonderful. They have various way, like you can have a live chat or you can create a support ticket, and they also have a very good knowledge base where you find the video tutorials and also the document which will discuss how to install and troubleshoot the issue with your web hosting. And of course, it has a very generous 45 days money return policy. So in case you are not happy with the your web hosting package or web hosting, you can always return it within 45 days of purchase with no question asked. So let's discuss the features in the details. The first feature which I want to discuss is the drag and drop website builder. So Weebly is a third party company which let you to create a beautiful website in no time. You can use the the different design element, like form or buttons and all. You can drag it on your website, and within like minutes you can create a beautiful website for your company or business. So it has a inbuilt support for Weebly, where you can use Weebly to create a good and nice attractive website. And of course, whatever website you will create with Weebly is always responsive. That means no matter whether you open the website in desktop, laptop, tablet or phone, it always looks in the same way. So it will adjust the size accordingly based on the type of devices. So this is a wonderful feature, and I have not seen many web hosting companies which provide this feature. Let's see some more features. So whenever you buy a hosting package from UltraWeb hosting, the domain is always free. So you'll get one free domain with every hosting package you will buy, which is wonderful. Like, you don't have to purchase a domain separately. and hosting separately, you can always buy that in a package. And of course the domain is always free, so it's a good offer. And once you buy your hosting package, there are preloaded apps. For example, you have WordPress, you have Joomla, you have a PHPB to create a forum. So there are a lot of software or tools which are already given with the hosting, so that it will be easier for you to set up your website quickly. Now of course they have a 45 days return policy with every hosting package, and if you are looking to try it, I have given the link here. You can always click here and go to their website. So what are the different other features which you have with this? It has a free website transfer, which I discussed in the first slide. So if you want to transfer the current blog or website to the new UltraWebHosting, the service is absolutely free. Of course they also help you with the domain transfer. So even if you have a domain which is registered with some other service provider, they can help you to transfer that domain to the UltraWebHosting. And of course that's very interesting feature is the cPanel. So if you want to transfer your complete cPanel from one hosting provider to the another one, UltraWebHosting can do that for you. Their engineer can help you to transfer the complete cPanel. So even if you install something like a SSL certificate or any other tools or something which you install on your cPanel in your existing web hosting, they can transfer its complete cPanel to the new UltraWebHosting, which is a very good feature. Now of course some of the other feature would like to discuss is the price which UltraWebHosting gives you is price match, comes with a price match guarantee. So if some other competitor or some other web hosting will give you the package in less than what UltraWebHosting is giving you, they can beat the price by 10%. The only thing you need to do is you need to send them a screenshot of the URL where the competitor is offering cheaper or lesser price, and UltraWebHosting guys will give you or balance the remaining amount and give them a 10% price which you want to match. And remember, the package of UltraWebHosting starts from $2.95, which I will discuss in further slide. Okay, so let's talk about the customer support. So UltraWebHosting has a very good customer support. From what I experience is they always reply very quickly to your issues. So a good web hosting company always have a strong customer support, because not everyone is very techy, and sometimes when we have issue with our website or blog, we want help very quickly, because every downtime with your blog is a loss to your business. So UltraWebHosting has a very good customer support. You can see like they have live chat, they have submit a ticket. You can submit a ticket anytime during the day, but live chat is also available 24/7, which is very nice. Now along with these two, they also have a knowledge base where you can get a tons of document to go through or try to troubleshoot the problem yourself. They have a video tutorial. They have a very good YouTube channel where they have put videos for almost everything. So you can search the issue there and try to resolve it by yourself. They also have a very good webmaster glossary where you can just read about the important terms in the web hosting world, like what is a domain name, what is a DNS, how to change DNS, and IP address, and a lot of these technical terms. You have the definition there. You can just go there and read about that. And of course, as I told in the beginning, I will talk about the CDN support. So UltraWebHosting has inbuilt support for CDN, and as I told, like Cloudflare is my favorite. So they support Cloudflare. So if you already have an account with Cloudflare, you can just directly integrate that to the web hosting, and then your content will start working on the Cloudflare along with your web hosting, and it will make your the speed of your website or blog very fast. So ultimately it's a good user experience, and also for your Google and other search engine ranking, it will improve with the speed. Now, is there any offer or freebies going on? On UltraWeb Hosting, of course, there is a 20% off coupon with hosting 20, and of course they also give a $150 worth of promotion from Bing and AdWords, where you can promote your blog and get more visitors for your blog. Of course, if you want to try that with the offers and these this hosting coupon, you can always click. I've given the link here. You can click here in you can try it for 45 days return policy. Now, this is about UltraWeb Hosting, and whatever my experience says is I'm very much happy with their service. And so far, I mean, from last 6 months I'm using, and I'm very much happy with the services. And I highly recommend that if you're a new blogger, or if you are starting a new business and you are looking for a good web hosting service provider, I will highly recommend to go ahead and try UltraWeb Hosting. They always have a 45 days return policy, so in case like you'll not satisfy, but I'm sure you'll be very happy with the services. So go ahead and I've given the link here in the last page of the slide, and also I've given link below description, so you can go ahead and try the UltraWeb Hosting. And if you need any help with the hosting or any setting or anything, you can contact their support. You can also comment here in the video description below, and I will be more happy to help you. Thank you very much, and I hope this little tutorial helped you to understand how UltraWeb Hosting works and what are their features, and why you should try UltraWeb Hosting. I will see you in another video. Please do not forget to share, subscribe, and comment to this video. There is a subscribe button below the video. Please do not forget to subscribe the video. Thank you very much.